Today I am going to discuss about IELTS grammar. We will discuss about the mistakes that the students commit in their writing part in task 1. The very common mistake that I have come across, they commit in their very first line, the line, bar or pie chart, whatever the graph the student has got in their writing, what they mention the line, graph, reveal, show, illustrate, whatever the word the student is using in their writing, they mention reveal or show. They forget to use S along with show and reveal. But this is subject. If the subject is singular, then you have to use SES or IES with the verb. This is verb. So this is the very first mistake. In case a student is getting 2-line graph or bar graph, whatever the thing he is getting multiple, then they use the line graphs or the bar graphs. If you are using S over here, then there is no need to add S or ES or IES with the verb. If the subject is being plural, then no need to use S, ES or IES with the verb. It will remain like that only. The second mistake they commit regarding adjective. Even the students are not aware about the adjective and adverbs. The sentence need to go like this. There was a gradual decline in population, in data, anything, whatever the thing that the student is getting in their writing, they have to mention like this. They have to mention like this. There was a gradual decline. Gradual is adjective and this is noun. Gradual should come before the noun. But most of the students, they mention gradual after decline. So this is wrong. This is the grammar rule. They have to use adjective before noun. The second mistake they commit regarding adverb. Now what is adverb? Adverb should always come before adverb. The population declined gradually. Now gradually is adverb and this is verb. So the adverb should always come after verb. This is the grammar rule. If you are not aware about adjectives and adverbs, this is adjective gradual. If I am adding ly in it, then it will become adverb gradually. Rapid is adjective. Rapidly is adverb. Slow is adjective and slowly is adverb. When we use ly in adjective, it will become adverb. And after adjective you have to always use noun, and before adverb you have to always use verb. Declined gradually, gradual, there was a gradual decline. So these are the mistakes that I have seen in task 1. Thank you.